Hello, welcome to my video. Today I'm going to show you how to create a web page using Microsoft Word 2007. So first, let's create a project folder. What we'll do is find documents and create a new folder. So I'm gonna name this my website. Okay, so after that, let's go to Microsoft Word. So we're gonna set this up in a web page. The first page of every website has to be named index, INDEX. So we're set up right away. Click the office button. Click the Save As. Change your file name into index. And instead of Word document, I will change that into web page. And find your project folder and save. We noticed that the page has expanded because a web page is going to be wider than a typical 8.5 by 11 document page. Alright, so we're gonna go to the center of the page and I will change the size into 36 and I will bold it and I will name this, because this is our first page, so I will name this Welcome to my site. Okay, now what we want to do is we're going to create some links to the other page. So I'm going to change the size from 36 to 14 and hit the enter a couple of times. And we'll do the 3 links: home, pictures, and contact information. Okay, so we're going to create some links to these other pages. By the way, you can name your pages anything that you want. Okay, so let's highlight let's create some links to these other pages. Highlight the home and go to the insert menu, hyperlink, and click the index. So the address is index.htm, which means the HTML means that hypertext document. So okay, so as we can see, the color is changed and we will do it in a picture. Alright, hyperlink. Now we don't have a pictures page created yet, so we're gonna create the link pictures.html. Okay, after that, copy the link, copy and save. Let's save this. Let's be sure that this is saved. So let's create a picture page, which is, we can create a new. So we're gonna set this up in a web page. Save as picture web page and save. So that's it. And go to the center of the page. 36 bold picture and resize it and paste the link. And you can insert the picture. Okay, for example, try this one. So there is, that's it. And save. So we will create another one, which is the contact page. So we're gonna set this into a web page. Web page. So we go to the center of the page, 36, bold, contact, and resize it to 14 and paste the link. Okay, and that's it. You have a website. So go to your folder, which is your My Website folder. Click the index. This is it. And if you click this home, there is a home. This is the home. This is our first page. So if you click this picture, contact information, you can click the link.